Hey guys, so I'm getting ready for school and I want to talk about a product that I really like. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Primer, and what I do is I just apply like one pump of it to all my face as in a prep motion for my makeup. I suffer from very, very dry skin. I have dry patches, and if I don't prep my skin with the right moisture it needs, my makeup will end up looking really, really patchy. So the finish it gives to my face, it's like amazing. It leaves my face like with the right texture for makeup application. So this is the Clinique Even Better all over concealer, which I love. I recommend if you need a very full coverage yet natural concealer. So I'm just gonna do what I usually apply, those spots, and I have a few pimples I need to take care of. So yeah, and I'm gonna blend it out with this e.l.f. small stipple brush, and I'm just stippling the product because I love the finish this brush gives. Definitely, if you want like a smooth like airbrush finish, this is your friend. I don't like a heavy looking makeup situation. I definitely like my makeup light. So yeah, I'm just blending. And it's not like, some brushes are like kind of hard to use. Like they leave like brush marks on your face. This literally one of the best like brushes to blend out my makeup with, especially like concealer and stuff. Also, it's great for like liquid bronzer and stuff. Really, really great. And look at the finish of the concealer. It's truly amazing. I love that concealer to death. It's like very light yet full coverage, like the enough coverage you need for your makeup to look good. And my face literally feels super moisturized, and it's like the perfect base for my makeup. So if you struggle with like dry skin, dry patches, and your makeup just doesn't sit well over like the dry patches, this is definitely your friend. You definitely need to try this out, because it's like, since it's like a pore filling concealer, it fills your pores, or it diminishes your pores, and it also like works with the dry patches, and it just gives an overall beautiful finish. So yeah, this is the e.l.f. Hydrating Primer. Check it out.